The Reusable Incontinence Pad by Vive provides effective protection for your mattress. The leak-proof multi-layer design provides maximum absorbency and retention. The waterproof base has a non-slip finish that keeps the underpad in place throughout the night. The inner layer is made with an ultra-dense material for maximum absorbency. A soft fabric top layer wicks moisture away from the skin to effectively reduce irritation and ensure comfort. The underpad absorbs and traps all fluids while providing a soft and noiseless night's sleep. The generous size is perfect for any sized mattress, car seat, or furniture, and it's also machine washable for added convenience and reusability. The Reusable Incontinence Pad by Vive is trusted and proven. There are hundreds of 5-star reviews. Plus, it's backed by an unconditional 60-day guarantee. You can't beat that anywhere. So confidently order yours now for comfortable, quiet leak protection.